What's up, man? It's your big bro Trans Genius, man. You tuned into the right video at the right time. You know why? Because everything happens for a reason, man. Everything happens for a reason. And that's the reason why you're watching this video right now, is because you probably about to make $200,000. After this video is going off and you hear everything that I tell you, it's going to be real easy for you to make this $200,000 the same way I did. Okay, so stay tuned to the end of this video, man. I'm about to tell y'all a story, man, and it's gonna blow your mind, man. You ain't gonna believe this story. But listen, first of all, man, I'm just chilling. It's a normal day for me. These are how my days are nowadays. You know, I'm probably just chilling somewhere by a pool or something, or you know, I got the mountains in the background or whatever. You know what I'm saying? I'm living the best life ever, man. You know, but for those of you who really know me, man, y'all know I've been on YouTube for like years now, dog. And I just stayed consistent, and I just stuck to my vision, and I never ever stopped doing it. You know what I'm saying? No matter how many people counted me out, no matter how many people turned their back on me, no matter how many people didn't want to recognize my channel like way back in the days, look at me now. Look at my channel now. You know what I'm saying? So I'm about to tell y'all a story, man, of how I literally manifested $200,000 on YouTube, and that's no lie, that's no cap. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, it was like 2 days ago. 2 days ago, I had just like logged into my like YouTube analytics, and I went to my lifetime report, you know, to see how much money I done made off of YouTube in the past 2 years or whatever. And then I hit it, and then it said like 195,000. Now that's not 200,000, but it's if you round up the value, it's at 200,000. So basically, I done manifested $200,000 in 2 years just off of YouTube AdSense. All right, just with my YouTube account alone. That ain't even adding my merch or, you know, my merchandise or my courses or nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just telling y'all, because a lot of y'all really sleeping on this YouTube shit. And, you know, I come across so many people that like, I'm going to start a channel, Trend. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. I'm going to get started. I'm going to get started. And you can tell they ain't really serious about it. You know what I mean? You can tell they going to procrastinate or whatever. You know what I mean? it's crazy. I run into so many people. They like, I'm going to get my channel off the ground. And I'll be like, how many videos you got? I got one. What y'all doing? What are y'all doing? This shit is so easy. It'll make your head spin, man. I run into top YouTube vloggers all the time now, you know what I mean? Because, you know, they are successful at what they do, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, real gonna recognize real. Once you start becoming successful on YouTube, you pretty much doing better than your average lawyers, your average doctors. You doing better than real estate agents, you know what I mean? You doing better than CEOs and bosses and all kind of people that you thought made a whole lot of money. If you are creative and you got a passion for whatever it is, I don't know what you do, tarot cards, reading, cooking, if you like to show people houses, real estate, yo, you can do all that here on YouTube. You can do all that right here on YouTube. I got this channel right here. I got me a channel that I'm starting up where I travel everywhere and I show people different cities. And I got my own vlog I'm about to pick up off the ground, because I'm about to get that started next, because it's so easy. Look, I told y'all, man, this is no capping. Your big bro right here, I done made $200,000 in 2 years just off this platform. That's 6 figures. I didn't even know I made 6 figures until I looked at that lifetime report 2 days ago. I didn't even know I had made that much money already. But luckily, fortunately, thank God, I made $200,000 just off Google AdSense. Now imagine what you could make. I mean, you probably not a life coach or nothing like that, but imagine what you could make if you had a channel and you was talking about whatever it is that you want to create. Just imagine how much money. Man, I know people that talk about crypto and Bitcoin, they get way more money than me, because advertisement agencies are willing to pay certain niches, like with yourself, different money. You know what I mean? You get more money for different niches. You know what I'm saying? I know meditation channels to, you know, where they got meditation music on there and it run like a whole hour. And you know how many people listen to the meditation every single night before they go to bed? You know how much money that owner is getting paid to create beautiful meditation for people? They waking up with money out of their sleep, yo. It's that easy. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, man, I've been doing YouTube for about 6 years now, but I didn't really start jumping off till like after 3 years. You know what I'm saying? But everybody's life and everybody's story is different. Like, you could start YouTube after this video, you know what I'm saying? You could start YouTube after this video and you might blow up in like 3 months. I done seen it happen to so many people, man. And even I'll be like, damn, well, I had to work hard for mine, you know what I'm saying? But that's just your path. Your path. You never know what God got planned for you. You know what I mean? I know YouTube, I know people that done started YouTube last year because I the one to help them. I gave them the bread and butter, the ins and outs. I taught them how the algorithm work, and now they bigger than me. They 400,000 subscriber channels, 500,000 subscriber channels. And I remember I used to have only 20,000 at the time, and they ain't have none. And I done told them the bread and butter, the same sauce I know, and they done rose above me, you know what I'm saying, on YouTube within 1 year's tops, folks. Listen, this is no cap. This is all truthful information. I'm telling you what's real. Matter of fact, it's people that I follow. As a matter of fact, it's people that I follow. And I remember times I used to have like 5,000, 6,000 subscribers, right? They were bigger than me at that time. They probably had 50,000 subscribers. I ain't have nothing. You know what I'm saying? And now when I look at some of them channels that I'm subscribed to, I look at their channels and I'm like, damn, I done went past them like 30,000 subscribers. That's so basically what I'm saying is on YouTube, it ain't no discriminating when it comes down to who make it big. You can make it big after this video if you just decided to start a YouTube channel. All right? If you got my YouTube course and you get the bread and butter and the sauce and everything that it took me to bust my ass for over all these years, okay, all the stuff that I learned, I put it inside this course for y'all. Because I remember back when I was first starting YouTube, there was no courses out there. There was nobody to tell me how to do it. I had to really learn everything from scratch. I had to go to the library and get like social media books and shit. You know what I mean? I had to really learn how it works on my own because I didn't have nobody like me who you have today, you know what I mean, to teach me how to blow up without going through all the nonsense, okay? And so, you know what I'm saying? That's why I love YouTube. That's why I love this platform so much, because it gives you so much freedom. I told y'all, man, look, this is my lifestyle, man. This is my lifestyle. Beautiful. 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 You ain't seen where I stayed at. You ain't seen where I stayed at. If I show you where I stayed at, that would make you even convince you even more to work with me. But nah, real talk. It's really simple, man. And it's crazy because, I mean, man, I don't even try to get some of my closest friends and family on YouTube, and they always brush it off. They always brush it off. They always think it's a big-ass joke. They always think it's a big-ass joke till they keep seeing me living my greatest life ever. How does he do it? How does he keep doing these great things? YouTube course. YouTube. YouTube. This is the greatest platform on earth right now. YouTube stars. Okay? And like I said, folks, it ain't nothing to it. The only thing you need to know, listen, it's a lot of people out there. Look, you're going to see a lot of people like your big brother Trend. They make chosen videos and they might make Starseed videos, and they never going to go nowhere. You know why? Because they don't know what they're doing. They don't know the algorithm. They don't know how to optimize their videos. They don't know it. They don't know it. You got to know you got to know the bread and butter behind this platform. I know the bread and butter. I know how to finesse it. I know how to get you from 0 to subscribers to 1,000 to start getting you paid. I know exactly how to do it. But do you know that? No, half of y'all don't even know that. And you got a YouTube channel already, and that's why your YouTube channel is at a halt, is at a standstill. It's because you don't have the knowledge. All right? And that's why I be telling y'all, man, look, I'm helping as many people as I can to come up on YouTube while I got the time. I know one day I will not have the time to do this because I'll probably be a millionaire or something, and I'll just have more things to handle besides trying to teach people on how to come up on YouTube. So while I'm still here, I highly suggest you out there. It's 2022. It is a new year. Okay? You don't want to go through this new year broke again or working hard, busting your butt again, and then at the end of the year, you find yourself still frustrated, still trying to figure out like when you gonna get your big break or whatever. This is your opportunity right here. This is why I'm making this video, to give you a confirmation right now. You have to start on this platform now, right now, because in a few years, I predict it's going to be very saturated, and it's going to be, they probably might even pay you to have a content channel. They might not pay you, but you probably have to pay them in the future in order to have a channel. Y'all know how everything's starting to charge nowadays. Everything is like going from free to charging. You feel me? So like, if you want to be a content creator, if you got something that you really interested in, it might be you and your wife, you and your husband, you and your boyfriend, whatever, man, you and your sister, whatever you want to do. If you want to talk about stocks on YouTube, if you want to have a beauty channel and put makeup on, cosmetics. I know women that's doing makeup channels that's buying Teslas for their parents. I know little kids that do slime videos, and they moms is using their money that they make off doing slime videos. It's really that simple. But listen, you gotta have the bread and butter in order to survive on this platform. I can't stress that anymore. If I would have learned what I know now back then, I would have been blew up on YouTube way back then. But see, I didn't have the knowledge of how the algorithm worked. I didn't know how to optimize my videos. I didn't know what people were looking for. I didn't know how to title my videos. I didn't know how to do my tags, my descriptions. I didn't know how to speak in my video. I didn't know how to do none of that. But now I know. And so I'm giving it back to you. Listen, folks, if you want to be the next big thing on YouTube this year, 2022, okay, get my YouTube course. And I made it super inexpensive. You know what I'm saying? Super inexpensive. You making a one-time payment for something that's going to change your whole life? And it costs nothing? That's priceless, man. Look at my life. Everything that you about to get in this, I'm on the top of a mountain. On top of a swimming pool that's on top of a mountain. I don't know what, man, but I'm somewhere special. Listen, man, if you really want to blast off on your YouTube channel without going through the adversities and the obstacles and the frustration, and you want to get to that 1,000 subscribers real fast, you need to get my course today. You know, if you want to blow up this year and you tired of working your 9 to 5, you know what I mean? That's what I used to do before I started being big on YouTube. I used to work at a furniture place. Feel me? But if you work in the 9 to 5 right now and you know that you want to transition into being your own influencer, you want to be a public influencer, you want to be a big time vlogger like your big brother Trent, you need to get the YouTube course today. Make that little sacrifice. It's going to change your whole life. All right. If you got a channel right now and you probably got 20 videos, 30 videos, but you ain't got no momentum, it ain't coming fast like you want it to. You're not even at 1,000 subscribers. Okay. You just kind of like just waiting on it to work. You just been waiting and waiting. There ain't nothing happening. This video is for you. You need to get my YouTube course. That's what you're missing. You're missing my YouTube course. I'm going to tell y'all everything that y'all need to know in order to blow up on YouTube, man. So, like I said, man, I can't stress this enough, man. I cannot express and stress this enough. I'm trying to get you on. I'm trying to get you on. I'm trying to get you on. You feel me? This the platform right here. My sister called me the other day, was like, brother. I'm like, what's up, sis? She was like, don't you know I just ordered the whole YouTube set from Amazon. I'm ready. My sister said she ready. I say, about time, sis. And my sis got 2 degrees. Very educated. But she has figured out, I don't really want to do that like that, Trent. I want to be my own boss. You know what I'm saying? She said, I want to be my own boss, brother. So I teaching my sister the game. You feel me? And it's the same thing with y'all. I'm doing the same thing with y'all if you get my YouTube course. Okay? So if you look in the comment section at the very top, right? If you look at the comment section at the very top, you'll see a link. It'll say Trend exclusive YouTube course. You make that sacrifice today to get that YouTube course, you're going to be thanking me later for the rest of your life. You're going to say, I remember I watched Trend back in 2022. Man, he changed my life, boy. I'm trying to tell you, what do you want to do in 2022? You want to live scotch-free. You want to be able to send your mama some money, send your brother some money. You want to be able to travel and go wherever you want to go on an airplane. You're going to start getting flight sick. You want to go hiking and you want to do this shit on a Monday like big bro. It's Monday. I remember I used to have to work on Mondays and get furniture and go carry it around everywhere and break my back. Now I lean it back. Get my YouTube course, man. It's your big brother, Trend Genius. Don't say nobody didn't tell you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll see y'all later, man. Peace and blessings.